Hello friends, welcome to my channel Raju More Education. Today we are going to discuss about second standard English topic word building. Word building म्हणजे शब्दांची बांधणी किंवा शब्दांची निर्मिती. Word म्हणजे शब्द, build म्हणजे बांधणे. Make words with the help of letters given below. खाली दिलेल्या अक्षरांच्या सहाय्याने शब्दांची निर्मिती करा. Here in this topic 5 boxes are given and in every box there are some letters are given and we have to make words with the help of these letters. In every box one example is already done for us. We start from first box. You can see one example is already done for us. BAN, ban. Here AN, these two letters are used after B and ban, this word is made. In same way we can use AN after different letters, means after C, after F, after P, after M, and we can make a different words. For example, when we use AN after C, we get the word can. When we use AN after F, we get the word fan. In same way, when we use AN after P, we get the word pan. After that, when we use AN after M, we get the word man. In this way, we can build a different words. When we come to second box, we understand that first example is already done for us. DEN, den. Here EN, these two letters are used after D and we get the word den. In same way, we can use EN after remaining letters and we get the word hen, men, pen, ten. After that, we come to the third box. Here also one example is already done for us. You can see here PIN, pin. In this word IN, these two letters are used after P and we get the word pin. In same way, we can use IN after remaining letters, means after T, after B, after W, and we get the words tin, bin, and win. Now come to the fourth box. In this box also we have already done one example here. You can see in this box COT, cot. In this word OT, these two letters are used after C and we get the word cot. In same way we can use OT, these two letters after remaining letters, means after H, after N, and we get hot, not. Now come to the fifth box. In this box also one example is already done for us. FUN, fun. In this word UN, these two letters are used after F and we get the word fun. In same way we can use these two letters UN after remaining letters, means after R, after S, after B, and we get the words run, sun, bun. Look, listen and encircle the odd word. बघा, ऐका आणि वेगळ्या शब्दाला सर्कल करा किंवा वर्तुळ करा. लुक म्हणजे बघणे, लिसन म्हणजे ऐकणे, इनसर्कल म्हणजे वर्तुळ करणे, ऑड, ऑड म्हणजे वेगळा, ऑड वर्ड म्हणजे वेगळा शब्द. ऑड म्हणजे दिलेल्या पर्यायांपैकी वेगळा. Here you can see one example is already done for us. You can see here in first column some words are given: bat, boat, bed, butt, hat. You can see here all words are start with letter B except hat. Hat is start with H, that's why circle is already done for it. When we see second column, some words are given there. These words are sun, lock, sack, soap, school. You can see here all words are start with letter S except lock. Lock is start with L. That's why we have to circle lock. When we come to the third column, we can read a words given in it. Ladder, leaf, rose, lemon, leaf. You can see here all words are start with L except rose. Rose is start with R. That's why our answer is rose. We have to circle to rose. When we come to the fourth column, here also some words are given. We can read them. Cock, cat, dog, clap, can. You can observe that all words are start with C except dog. Dog is start with D, so odd word is dog. We have to circle dog. Now we come to the fifth column. Some words are given. We can read them. Man, nest, monkey, mango, mirror. In this column, you can see that all words are start with M except nest. Nest is start with N. So nest, this word is odd word. So we have to circle nest. Now we come to the sixth column. Some words are given. We can read them. Fun, fat, for, glass, fan. Here you can see all words are start with F except glass. Glass is start with G. So glass is odd word. So we have to circle glass. Now we have to come towards last column. Some words are given there. We can read them. Pen, pencil, pot, sack, pan. You can see here all words are start with P except sack. Sack is start with S. So sack is odd word. So we have to circle sack. In this way we completed this topic. Okay friends, we meet in the next video with different subject. Goodbye, namaste, take care.